Now it's time for a presentation of Polish Biobanking Network. The establishment of the Polish Biobanking Network was preceded by the accession to the European Research Consortium BBMRI-ERIC. This organization was established to guarantee the development and controlled access to biobank resources for academic and industrial units. Taking into account the intensive development of similar infrastructures in Western Europe, a decision was made to establish a consortium of Polish biobanks, whose task is to establish the Polish Biobanking Network. The consortium center gathers specialists who have long been involved in biobanking human biological material and conducting scientific research. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to see the offer of Polish Biobanking Network.
Hello everyone, my name is Angelika Paluch and I am biotechnologist. I work in Medical University of Warsaw and I would like to tell you a few informations about Polish Biobanking Network. At first, the definition of a biobank. Biobank is an unit where can be collected biological material, which is later processed and can be shared between different units and researchers. Such material is gathered from different sources, and in biobanks are quality management systems, and those units are highly connected with research and development departments. Such features allow for cooperation biobanks with other units like scientific and research ones, pharmaceutical and biotechnological companies and hospitals in case of clinical trials. When we talk about biobank, we cannot forget about biological material. It can be taken from a donor who are healthy or sick. Such material is collected, then processed, and are made from it many research. The second way of obtaining biological material is taking it from clinical trial or research as waste material. Those material are then also collected, processed, and results from them can be used in different ways in another projects. The main target of establishing biobanks is broadly understood development. In biobanks are collected materials from different sources, and such materials are usually very unique. Biobanks are units where are storage, also data connected with collected material. Rare material can be used by biotechnology and medical sciences to different researchers, and results of such action can be used for development of clinical trials, personalized medicine, or pharmacy. There are a lot of types of biobanks. Specialized ones are focused on obtaining biological material which is taken from donors who suffer from special diseases. Population biobanks are those ones who are focused on obtaining biological material from specific population. Clinical units, clinical biobanks are focused on collecting material obtained from different diagnostic procedures. Mixed biobanks are units who combine features of specialized biobanks and population, and sometimes with clinical also. There are also other types of biobanks who gather different type of material, like forensic biobanks. There are a lot of biobanks on the world. In Europe was established BBMRI-ERIC infrastructure. And since 2013, Poland was one of observer BBMRI ERIC. Since 2016, Poland is an official member of BBMRI infrastructure. As a result of joining, BBMRI PL was established, and this consortium consists of scientists from different universities like Medical University of Warsaw, Medical University of Gdańsk, Wrocław Medical University, Medical University of Lublin, University of Łódź, Regional Science and Technology Center, and Łukasiewicz-Port Polish Center for Technology Development, who is national leading center for biobanking. The main goal of BBMRI-PL consortium work is establishing a Polish biobanking network. Until now, Polish Biobanking Network has joined 53 members. Biobanks who are joined in Polish Biobanking Network are usually specialized type. There are also clinical biobanks and mix who join features of specialized and population. There are also some typical population biobank and other type. Here you can see some examples of Polish biobanks. The one of them is Brain Bank, who is the biggest brain bank on the world. They storage brains since 50s. Until now, they collect brains from over 5,000 donors, and this brain is located in Warsaw. The second type of biobank is cell biobank. This biobank works near the laboratory for cell research and development. And in this biobank are collected cells from different sources. One of them are those who are taken after clinical trial procedure. The third one is National Leading Center for Biobanking. And this is the biggest population biobank in Poland. This biobank is located in Wrocław, and they focus on collecting material which describe a population living in Lower Silesia Voivodeship. Collection of Polish biobank network biobanks are very diverse. Mostly are storage proofs of blood, nucleic acids, cells, tissues, but also there are some data like patient data, both clinical and epidemiological, and data analysis results. In Polish Biobanking Network is a lot of specialized biobanks, and they are focused on mainly oncological diseases, genetic, rare, and neurodegenerative ones. When we want to answer the question why we need Polish biobanking, we can indicate that Polish Biobanking Network gives access to a lot of things like guidelines or quality management system procedures, or even IT softwares dedicated to biobanks and secure servers. It is very important that Polish Biobank Network gives possibility to take a part in free trainings and conferences. Thanks joining to Polish Biobanking Network, units have possibility to present their collection on the European and Polish arena. And this is possible thanks Polish Biobanking Network central platform. This platform gives possibility to get knowledge about Polish biobanks and the collection which are stored in them. Thanks central platform is possible connection between Polish and European resources. Researchers who gives data in Polish Biobanking Network central platform can manage it very easily. And what is the most important, Polish Biobanking Network central platform gives possibility for for finding information about material of interest in very easy way. How does it work? Scientists from biobanks can add information of their collection on Polish Biobanking Network Central Information Platform, from which they are exported to ERIC Directory, which is the European database. Researchers from different units can find information about material which they are looking for in Polish Biobanking Network or directly in ERIC Directory. When a researcher find information about their material of interest, they can use application ERIC Negotiator to contact with owner of collection, and then they can cooperate. Here you can see how a central platform looks like. At first, you can get, after login to it, you can get information about public biobanks and their collection. You can see information about, detailed information about their collection, about the number of samples in each collection, about special features of them. And as I said, it is very easy to find such information because you have only put special words in a search frame, and all biobanks who possess desirable material will be shown. As you can see, biobanks gives huge possibilities for scientific cooperation, and thanks working of Polish Biobanking Network, people from all over the world can get information about our collections. And this gives possibility for development scientific and research units, pharmaceutical and biotechnological companies, and even hospitals in case of clinical trials, as I said at the beginning of this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any question, please write to us email, or you can also use the phone. You can also check additional information about Polish Biobanking Network in BBMRI.pl website or our central platform, which is shown here. Moreover, you can check information about BBMRI infrastructure and about one of the Polish biobank, which is Biobank for Laboratory for Cell Research and Application.